Ooh, that's a cop right there. I was going a little bit quick.
Oh, I flipped my plate down. I hope he didn't see me flip it down, bro.
He was probably paying more attention to me than you. And he didn't want the smoke. Oh, my heart. I was going like 55, dude. I was kind of hauling a little bit there. This is why I hate leader bikes, dude. I can't do this. I hate these leader. Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Jesus Christ, brother.
Sorry.
I was a little behind you.
I was good. You were not.
Don't worry. I always still like. I mean, you should always check anyway, even when you're with somebody.
I mean, I did check. I just didn't.
They were going like decently quick too.
I just want a wheelie, man. I don't want to wheelie at 100 miles an hour. Yeah, dude, I just want a wheelie, man. I don't want to do this at 100 miles an hour. I was talking to Fastlane D about this last night, bro. Like, I love the leader bikes. They're great. But, like, I want a chill ride, bro. He
seems like such a cool dude.
He was saying that he just rides his V4 and stuff. Like, he just rides and chill.
Yeah, he like gets it.
I was talking about, I'm like, I just can't. I don't get how you can ride these bikes chill. I can't do it. I don't find it enjoyable. I'd rather ride a slow bike fast.
A car just they fucking pulled right the f out in front of me.
No, are you kidding me?
No, bro. Literally right coming around that blind corner, I just had to slam on my brakes.
I was wondering where you were. I was hauling through that. I was just like,
I know. As soon as I heard you go out the headset, I was like, all right, he's a little far down.
Here we go. Park.
Oh yeah, we're taking up 2 spots.
Oh yeah, go ahead. I love parking like an a-hole.
We're a motor vehicle.
My bike costs more than some of these cars. I think I'm entitled to my own parking spot.
We're a motor vehicle just like everyone else.
That bike costs more than mine. Doesn't it?
Brand new, yeah.
25?
I think it was like...
She's leaking a bit of oil.
I think it was like 27, something out the door.
Someone's AC probably I just touched. Cool.
Are we going to get gas at the Shell?
Yeah.
Right here? Alright.
Grab some...
Let me grab a Red Bull!
Oh yeah, we'll drink it up here. Just throw it in my bag.
Oh no, dude. The cilantro might be hitting me already. That's record timing. If that's the
There's
case.
no way it's hitting you.
I haven't eaten today.
It's like,
What does that mean? It's hitting you? Like you gotta poop it out?
My asshole feels a little heavy right now.
yeah, dude, my stomach's starting to
There's
go.
no way. That's not how it works, bro.
It's definitely how it works.
Yeah, because I can't take whey because whey is lactose. Get a good
Can you wait?
flavor.
Can you not drink milk?
No.
Damn. Some of my
Right.
girl is.
That's what lactose intolerant means.
Bro, anything.
Yeah, I'm a little
with dairy-
behind. Sorry.
Brian, what size Red Bull do you want?
Strawberry apricot, sugar free, 12 fluid ounces.
What?
That's the one I want.
I repeat.
Strawberry apricot,
Okay.
12 fluid ounces, sugar free.
All right. Brian, do you want anything?
Can you give me like a water bottle, just like a normal size one?
Okay, basic bitch.
I had so much fucking caffeine.
This dude's freaking out already, man.
I had a monster at 2:30.
And?
I had one. I woke up. When I got to work, I had another one. And at 2:30, I had another one.
What's the caffeine amount in a Monster? Is it 200?
It's 200. No, I think it's 190, 195.
The Red Bulls are only
This dude
14,
getting
I
the
think.
gayest goddamn Red Bull.
Nah, dude, it's so good. I just started
Apricot?
getting them. Strawberry apricot, bro. It's so good.
Like whenever I had,
Try it. It's sugar free, bro. You like sugar free ones.
dude, like I like Rockstar.
No, it's not. It's not sugar free. It's got 26 grams of sugar in it.
No, the one I got today was sugar free.
This one, it's the only one.
It should be 15 calories on the back of
Oh,
the
there is a sugar free one. Never mind. You're right.
Try it. It's good.
No, I like my regular. I like it to taste like.
All right, basic.
It's not basic. I like my to taste like detergent.
That's horrible.
It's the best.
Yeah, dude. You think he does anything like illegal with his money? Like anything sketchy?
Okay, yeah, I feel like it does.
If I could genuinely lemon law this bike, I will be very happy.
The homeless guy over there is posing like a Titanic painting.
You are so quiet.
Dude, is that Rose?
I can't hear PR, dude. He's so quiet.
You can't hear him?
No, he's very quiet today. I don't know what's going on.
Did you turn my volume down?
Yeah.
I can hear Brian. Brian's blowing my ears out.
Uh-oh, another one. That's why I do not like coming down East 9, bro.
I was like, no, she's not gonna turn. I'll just speed up. Wrong time for that.
She definitely was about it.
Damn.
I ain't doing that. That.
You guys are just slow. I gotta fart so bad, and the bike is not letting me fart.
The big
Like I said, this
holding it
sticks
inside
up
of you?
my booty cheeks.
gotta use some force, bro. Get it out.
I can't. If I do it, I'm gonna.
Dude, you never yourself?
I'm not. No, I'm not doing that.
Listen, the world will keep fucking revolving if you just started yourself really quickly.
Hey, Reese is over here.
I feel like Derek right now, bro.
Gotta hit up a public bathroom.
No, not that bad. Hold on. I gotta answer some.
Oh my god, why did I turn my bike on? Hold on, I gotta answer as soon as I step on my bike. I gotta send my Snapchats on the bikes, that way I look cool.
Go.
You sure?
Yes. I'm gonna get gas in Berea.
You're gonna get gas in Berea?
Aren't we going to that Chipotle?
Yeah, I'll just wait till then with you as well.
Well, I literally just filled up before.
I know, I did too. That's why I'm like, I'm good.
You were just
Thanks.
probably driving like a.
Probably.
No, just.
There were some fans who followed me out. They, I don't know what happened, or maybe it was just a coincidence or whatever, but whatever. I talked to them and we left the meet together. When I got on the highway, I'm like, watch this. And they were like, oh my god. Cool. What?
Dude, I should have taken some Tums or something, bro.
Are you alright?
No, it's not like I'm gonna my pants type of, stomach pain. It's just like, dude, it feels like there's a fire in my belly.
He's gonna activate the turbo.
Yeah, you're making me think about the
faster,
spray me
bro.
on the highway.
Just stay in front of me, guys.
You're gonna catch some exhaust.
Interesting rap on that. That is ugly.
Some very interesting characters out here.
I'm ready.
A lot of credit debt.
Whole lot of credit card debt. Should I damage this kid's hearing for life?
No. Waiting on Mr. Mismatched Gloves.
Cop.
What are these? Is he coming?
No.
Nah, he was going straight.
Look at that girl.
We passed another one. What girl?
Come back around.
Oh my god.
She just crashes her car. That'd be funny as hell.
We just leave immediately after.
There's another cop in front of us.
Oh my god, they're just everywhere. I thought that'd be busy. Is that Fairview Park though? That's Fairview Park, bro. He's out of his jurisdiction. He's not gonna do anything.
My bike's melting right
I'm gonna stare him down actually. Gotta earn it. He'll catch me doing something dumb. I don't know why I'm waiting for this cop to just like teleport behind us, grabs Reese.
I wish he would.
Officer, let me grab my license for you real quick. If this is an undercover, he's hauling it pretty hard. He's going like 100.
If he can do it, I can.
Split that shit.
I just want to see.
He's curious.
No, I think it's just a normal person.
Oh, okay. Wait. Ah, well, they missed a light.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I'm gonna still go. I don't give a f. I'm not gonna lie. I just grabbed my front brake and it kind of like felt like it caught on.
Sorry, he just kind of went up here, so I'm sorry. I apologize.
Tell him I don't.
He doesn't apologize. I do. I'm sorry.
Everyone had to get me now.
All right, I'm just gonna pick a parking spot because Brian's having a hard time.
My brain is malfunctioning for some
assistance.
reason. It looks good to me.
Yo, what happened to Brian?
I'm just behind y'all. Just chilling.
Time to fill up for the 4th time today.
I know they say bikes are good on gas, and then we spend like $50 a night.
Dude, nobody says bikes are good on gas.
People that don't know. I mean, they're supposed to get super high miles a gallon.
Yeah, like a moped.
Dude, this will.
If you ride
What are
like
you-
a bitch.
What are you getting on like a good day if you're like not getting on it?
I'd be surprised if I got 20.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If you're not getting on it,
Yeah, but if it was stock though.
what would you get? I'm saying like you're not harping on it. What would you get?
Yeah, if I was in 6th gear chilling, it'd probably be like 30 miles a gallon.
Okay, let's. My car's still better than that. My Grom, my old like little Honda Grom, got like 120 miles to the gallon. I mean, that's basically as close to a scooter as you can get. Are we pulling up here?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna pull out actually. Dude, they put the biggest pile of fucking gas cap on this thing ever.
Why don't you just get an aftermarket one?
Cause I
God,
want to sell this thing. I want to keep fucking putting money in it.
time for a 3rd bike.
Yeah, I agree.
No, I have no more garage space.
600 season.
Oh, you can definitely squeeze in a little naked bike or something.
I don't even have space for this one. Seriously, it is literally like puzzle piece trying to get it in the garage.
I don't have the garage space either. I'm not.